Alright, here's the stereo system. Turning on the car. Turning on the stereo. It's got good vision, or good visual. Let it boot up. Alright. As you can tell, the volume goes up, but you don't hear anything. Nothing. It says it's all the way up. So we go to radio. Same thing. All the way up. And let's just flip through the channels. We'll go stop there. Nothing. Go to equalizer. And again, the volume's all the way up. Push the equalizer. Nothing. Classic. Nothing's gonna help it. Surround sound's all even. So as you can see, clearly it does not work. I'll try myself the car, the truck. So, and I do have it hooked up with speaker wires, to the speaker wires. As you can clearly see, the antenna's hooked up, the GPS system's hooked up. I did not hook up the RCA nor the amplifier. Here's front L, negative and positive, hooked up. Front R, negative and positive, hooked up. Everything's hooked up and it's plugged in. It's plugged in right here, as you can see. Okay.